Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring where the lag lives. Run a speed test and note download, upload, and ping so you have baselines. Then reboot your modem and router, power off, wait 30 seconds, power on because stale connections and memory leaks often cause sluggishness. While devices restart, disconnect unused gadgets and shut down apps that stream or sync. This frees bandwidth immediately. Once done, reconnect one device to confirm improvement before proceeding to deeper changes. Now you refine both settings and physical setup to reduce persistent lag. Move the router to a central, elevated spot away from microwaves and thick walls to improve line of sight. Interference raises latency. Make sure critical devices use 5 GHz for speed and lower congestion, or 4 GHz if they need range. Update router firmware and device network drivers so bugs are fixed, and enable Co-S to prioritize video calls or gaming. These changes cut packet loss and smooth real-time traffic. Finish by isolating and validating improvements. Plug a laptop into Ethernet to test wired performance. If wired is fine, the Wi-Fi requires attention. Change to a faster DNS provider and flush your device's DNS cache to reduce lookup delays. Make small adjustments, then retest each time so you can identify which change helps. If lag continues after these steps, factory reset the router and reconfigure, and if that fails, contact your ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.